Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 and how I remove my intelligent sounder. This is video 16 in my series of XK videos. In this one I'm going to show you how to remove the intelligent sounder, what it is, how it can be a problem, and how I fix mine. Okay, so if you have the following symptoms, no chirping and crackling noises coming from your front bumper, chances are you've got a intelligent sounder issue, as I have on a couple of my cars. Now, the intelligent sounder is a small speaker with a battery backup mounted inside the right-hand side of your front bumper. Basically, it's an auxiliary alarm speaker. In case the power is lost for the rest of the car, the alarm will still function. And it also provides the chirp on the closure and opening of your central locking. So if you're not hearing any chirps when you press your button to lock the car, chances are this system's down. Obviously, as it's trying to charge batteries and it's not working properly, potentially you're going to have a battery drain. Okay, so how to remove it? I used 2 screwdrivers, a Flathead and a Star, a Torx T30 socket, 10mm spanner, and a ratchet. I jacked up and supported the front of the car, as seen here, with my trolley jack and my wooden blocks under the wheels and the sill. I removed the road wheel to expose the wheel liner, and I removed the wheel liner. If you're interested in the wheel liner removal video, you should see a banner above now. Okay, so if you're looking, having removed the wheel liner, if you look to the right hand side, you'll see the intelligent sounder box there attached by a bracket just to the left hand side, of the fog lamp. In order to disconnect the connector, you need to depress the side of it and pull it straight off. That disables the speaker, but it has no detrimental effect of the central locking or the alarm system. They'll all operate as normal, but you won't have a chirp and you won't have a battery backup. In case your battery goes, you won't have any alarm. Then I unscrewed the bracket. It's mounted with 2 T30 bolts. So I just tried to undo those. In my case, these were completely rusted through. I had to drill them out in the end. It's quite tight in that inner wing. So there we are. The sounder is removed. Let's try and repair it. There you go. Intelligent sounder and its bracket. Everything's quite rusty. Then I tried to remove the lid. It's quite easy to remove the lid with a screwdriver again, carefully, revealing lots of rubber sealant. Packing out the circuit board, and you can just see the 2 batteries there. I dug out a lot of the sealant to see if I could repair anything. Fortunately, I only revealed a broken down circuit board, and the rechargeable batteries were very heavily corroded. I was thinking I'd need to replace it anyway, but they're completely shot. And the unit's beyond repair. Okay, so I decided to seal up the connector inside the inner wing and tie that thing up until I got another one. And hopefully I've got no chirp, but no strange noises and no battery drain until I get another one. Hope you find that useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more XK videos.